to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, treating sublanguages as separate languages in TM Lookup. In response to some client requests, memoQ introduced the possibility to treat sublanguages as separate languages in TM Lookup from version 11.6. Come with me. Let's see how it works. In this project, I am translating a document into Spanish, Mexican Spanish, and Latin American Spanish. Each language has a working translation memory, and the TMs of the other two languages were added as reference TMs. Now let's see what will happen. If we open our project, we will see translation results for all language variants. But maybe I only want to see the results for the main language and for the sublanguage that I am translating into. I can come to Settings, then General Languages, and check the box Treat Sublanguages as Separate Languages in TM Lookup. Let's synchronize our project and see what happens. Now memoQ is only showing the results from the main language, so Spanish, and the sublanguage of the target document, which is Mexican Spanish in our case, but not the other sublanguages. Thanks for watching.